What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm here with a Cynosure Hair once more. It's been a while since I've gotten a wig from Cynosure, but today I got this gorgeous deep wave wig, and you guys know this is my kind of vibe. I love curlier or wavier textures. That's my go-to. So today we got this 26-inch deep wave 13x4 lace front wig. It's a 1B color. It's a medium cap, and it got 3 combs on the inside, and it's a standard lace and adjustable straps in the back as well. So then I proceeded to applying this to my head. It is lightly pre-plucked, as you can see, so you could definitely go in and pluck it further if you wish, but it's definitely just lightly pre-plucked. I went ahead and still install it as is to let you see that yes, it could definitely still work just the way that it came. And today I decided to go ahead and use glue for this install because I decided that I was gonna wear this for just, you know, like a couple days than I usually would with any wig, because that's just how I was feeling. So I did this in sections, hence why you see I'm cutting out the lace in sections, and then I just cleanse away the area there on my forehead, just prepping it for the glue. So today I went ahead and used my Ghost Bond once more to install this wig, and to be honest, it's just for me, the hold on this glue is pretty standard. I used 3 layers for this install, and I used it for the first time the other day on another install that I did, and it was just pretty standard. It's not like mind-blowing, to be honest. I sweat a lot, and I feel like I'm the ultimate test of any glue. So like literally after the 3rd day, or maybe like at the end of the 2nd day, it started to slip a bit with the previous install that I did with it. So I feel like you'd have to like definitely do like more layers if you want like a stronger hold, but I still did 3 layers just because I felt like I might change my mind to do another hairstyle, because you guys know I change my hair so often. So yeah, I was just using my comb to kind of press in the lace. This is a good way to kind of just get it to stick. And of course, this is after doing the 3 layers, you know, and of course you don't want to put the lace on the glue until it's clear, like what you saw in the video. I use my dryer to further help make the lace stick to the portion that I applied the glue, and it's looking pretty good, it's feeling pretty firm. And after just doing that to all sections, which obviously I fast forwarded that, I used my elastic band to melt in everything. Very nice, and yeah, it's looking good. It's looking pretty good. So I then proceeded to cutting away the extra lace. Just like each step, whenever I do something with the lace, I go back over it with my elastic band and blow dry it to just ensure that I'm just making the lace melt as much as possible so that it comes out very nice and seamless. So today I definitely opted for baby hairs because that's what I wanted to do. So I did a lot of like swoops on the sides, the very mid portion of it. I didn't do anything though. That I didn't. That's just how I wanted to style it. So yeah. So I decided that I wanted to do something with the front. I didn't want to do a side part. I didn't want to do a center part. I wanted to do a nice little style. And so I thought about doing a braid right across the front. And my mom helped me out with this portion. I just did a nice, neat, solid braid. And it was really pretty. It was really neat. And I really liked it. So just to switch things up a little bit, I did this braid. So after doing the braid, what I did, I kind of pulled the sides out to give it that nice fluffed look. It just make it look way better in my opinion. I didn't want it to look tight and skinny. I wanted that fluffy, you know, that fluffed out look, and it looks so good.
Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for? What all those rumors do? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. But I don't even know half the things you said.
So you could definitely go ahead and rock the hair just as is without wetting it, but I have been rocking curlier textures dry for some time now. So today I said, you know what, I'm gonna wet it up. I'm gonna wet it up. I used my spray bottle here. What was in this today was some gloss, water, and conditioner, and I just sprayed that all over. It left the hair feeling even more amazing because this hair was already so soft, so silky. And I did get minimal shedding, okay, just so you know. But it really helped to just, you know, keep that wet look and make it just look so juicy and nice. So I then take my brush and I kind of just, you know, run through that, make sure there's no tangles or anything. And that's literally it. That is literally it for my install / styling of this wig today. It literally came out so nice. You see how those edges look? If you're not for the edges, as you know, you don't have to do that, but I like how this looks. I really love the way the edges tied into the look. So yeah. With the installation of this wig, and I recently installed a deep wave wig. So this one I really wanted to do something a little different with it, and you see I did this whole braid action. Is so cute. I really like it. I got some help for it, so shout out to my mom for coming through and doing this braid. Yes, the hair as usual, 10, can't go wrong. Well, for me at least, can't go wrong with, you know, a nice deep wave hair texture. So that's a plus. And I did do my swoops. I did a little bit more, but this is the vibe I was totally going for. So I love that. As usual, I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself. Shout out to Cynosure Hair. Once more, it's not the first time I'm working with them. Their quality seems to be, you know, standard. It seems to be good. I didn't get a lot of shedding from this wig at all. The hair is very silky, it's very soft, and 20 is 6 inches. I feel like it's very true to length. You know, I'm 5'1", by the way, just put that out there so you can use me as a guide for, you know, where it's gonna reach you. I'm pretty tiny, yeah, I know. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. I did this 2 little swoops here. But yeah, I love it. So let me know what you guys think. You know, it's pretty simple, to the point, nothing too fussy, just a little like nice cute style. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.